Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to draw a Chevy Camaro. Begin by sketching the basic rectangular and trapezoidal forms that define the car's main body. Focus on getting the overall length and width correct, ensuring a dynamic perspective. Use light lines to outline the roof, hood, and trunk, along with the circular shapes for the wheels. This foundational step is crucial for a well-proportioned final drawing. Now let's refine the distinctive body lines of the Camaro. Carefully draw the sharp creases along the hood and sides, capturing its aggressive stance. Add the signature headlights, the prominent grille, and the sleek side mirrors. Pay close attention to the angles and curves, making sure they flow naturally. This stage brings out the unique character of the vehicle. Next, focus on the wheels and windows, which add significant realism. Draw the rims with their specific spoke patterns and the thick tires. Outline the windows, thinking about how light might reflect off the glass. You can hint at the interior, like the seats or dashboard, visible through the windshield. These details make the drawing feel more complete and three-dimensional. For the final touches, apply shading to give your Camaro drawing depth and volume. Use varying pressure to create highlights and shadows, emphasizing the car's contours. Add textures to represent the glossy paint, the reflective chrome accents, and the matte rubber of the tires. A well-shaded drawing truly pops off the page. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your home setup. Your finished Camaro will look fantastic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.